Hey there, how you doing? It's Dan Froelke here with an instant cash solution update for you. I want to share with you some results that I've been getting in my instant cash solution business. All right, but first I want to show you the date right here. I am really excited to share with you this video because it is my 1-year anniversary with instant cash solution, and I'm super excited. We are just getting started. We are steamrolling through the fourth quarter 2018 and heading right on into 2020. And again, we are just getting started with ICS. I want to show you the date really quickly. It's October 4th, Friday, October 4th at 2:30 in the afternoon. Now, I joined a year ago, okay? October 3rd, 2018. I am going to show you that exact date in the back office here. I am going to show you some results. But first, I am super blessed to have aligned myself with this system because I truly believe that this is the very best small ticket business out there by far. Now, I'm not a guy that hops around from program to program to program. I love multiple streams of income, but the average person can really only handle about 3 of them. Okay, because here's the deal. If you're in 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you have 8 income streams, how in the heck are you supposed to help people on your team? Very, very hard to do. As a matter of fact, that's impossible. Me, I don't hop around from program to program. I stick with what I've got, whatever's working. And this is working. I want to prove it to you that this is working for me and others as well. And again, if you are hopping from program to program, like a lot of people do, and I used to do that, okay, you really have to stop that. You have to align with a sponsor that's actually going to help you out, walk the walk, and that's what I do. Okay, so again, let's see this again, October 4th, 2019. Let's get rid of that. Let's put this up here. I want to show you some results. So I show you these results not to brag, right? The reason why I show them, because number one, people have to actually see that the system is working, and I have been in it a year. I want to tell you for sure that it is still working, and there's no stopping this instant pay member to member program right here. And number two, I want you to know that I'm on the level to show you how to do this stuff, that I walk the walk, that I help people out. Anyone who joins me, okay, is going to get a welcome email, and I'm going to reach out to them, and I'm going to schedule a call, okay, a one-on-one call to help you set your system up. That's what I do, and that's why I don't hop from program to program to program. Because why? If something's working, you got to stick with it, okay? So here we go. But first, before I log in, of course, I have a disclaimer for you, a little legal thing. All right, now these are my results. Results are not typical. I work very hard for these results, and in no way do I guarantee that you will get these results, if any at all. Okay, so let's log in to my instant cash solution back office. I feel super blessed to have aligned myself with this system because it's really allowed me to help a lot of people out, and that really helps me sleep well at night because I actually help them out one-on-one. Plus, we have so much value in the back office, it's incredible. Now, I've been in high-ticket programs that have a quarter of the value that ICS has in the back office. And again, that's what makes me sleep well at night because I know what we offer has tremendous value. Okay, so I want to show you first of all that this is actually me, my account right here. Again, if you want to see the date, let's go over here. Friday, October 4th, 2019. Okay, so we got that out of the way. All right, let me put this up here. And let's go to the members area. And commissions earned. Now, this is for this month already. Again, only October 4th. I'm at $3,400. Let's go down here. It is October 4th. And I'm at, let's see, at about a $600 day here today. Yesterday, $1,200. The day before, $600. And then on October 1st, $1,000. So not a bad week at all. $3,400 with Instant Cash Solution this week. Now let's go back a few months. All right. Last month, $21,700. Now, you guys, this is instant pay. 100% commissions. It's not a 50% commission. It's not a 70%. This is 100% commissions paid directly to you. Okay, paid directly and instantly to you. So you can check it out. 500, 100. You know, these are very consistent every day. In fact, let's go over here. It's probably easier to see this. Okay, got a $1,500 day, 800, 1,000, 1,200, 2,100, 200, 400, 1,200, $2,700 day. That's what I mean. Obviously, I'm going to stick with this because it's working and I'm helping so many people get started online. Okay, so if you are brand new, all right, this has the perfect educational platform right here. We start from scratch. If you are more experienced, that's great. And if you're a seasoned vet like myself, that's even better. All right, so I know you get the idea. Let's go back. Okay, this is August, 16,600. July, 15,700. 15,100. And this is the slow time of year. May, 19,300. April, 21,100. March, okay. Now, I know there's 19,000 there. It's insane. I want to show you when I started. Okay. Here we go, right here. October 3rd, 2018. That's not bad. I had a $7,000 month. My very first month in Instant Cash Solution. Okay, so let's bring this over here. As you can see, we're flying through the months here. Okay. All right, whoops. Right there. Okay, so how are we making these sales? Well, it's a very simple copy and paste ads platform. We have the ads. We have everything that you need in the back office here. We have a great autoresponder where you can actually email your list. We have all the capture pages. We have a fantastic sales page and all the display ads. So we're copying, pasting ads in social media sites, on Craigslist, Instagram. We do solo ads. I do SMS text marketing. Whatever you are interested in, we've got free ways to advertise, absolutely free, and we've got paid methods. And also, we have something very special in place here at ICS, and that is the weekly live webinar overview, and that's hosted by the owner himself, Rich Meyer. Now, Rich, like I said, he puts this on every single week. It's a live overview. You invite your prospects. Okay, so you email everyone out on your list, and I actually have the email that you can use. So you email your list, and your prospects attend the weekly live webinar. Rich does a great job. He answers their questions at the end, and then at the end of that, he'll say, now I want you to get back to the person who invited you, and voila, I get sales that very night. All right, and that's what we're doing here. That's very unusual that the owner himself actually participates in this, and he is an awesome owner. And again, I feel very blessed to align myself with ICS and Rich Meyer because he's constantly adding value in the back office. I'm really, really proud of all the value that's back there. Now, if you have been watching my proof over and over, month after month after month, well, it's about time that you throw your hat over the fence and join me in Instant Cash Solution. Okay, now I promise you, now this is the only promise I'm going to make. Okay, I promise you that there is not a small ticket business out there that's like Instant Cash Solution, because in my opinion, ICS is the very best small ticket business out there. Okay, so if you have any questions, I have all my contact information right below there. I am standing by to answer any questions you have, and I look forward to being your sponsor in Instant Cash Solution. All right, thanks for watching.